Yeah. Hi, this is Shakthi I am basically a .NET developer. Last 14 years, I'm working in .NET technologies, Microsoft technologies, and currently I'm working for Cognizant Technology Solutions as a senior developer and lead developer. Mm, about the training, it was like the material life and the Sprintzeal, like following up with me, it was very good, and then on timely manner, like they are reminding us properly to join the call and everything. And also the course material is very good, and also the trainers experience to making us to work in hands-on is very good. Like even we have a lot of materials to go through, but in the company side, but at the same time, while we are connecting with the Sprintzeal, making us to do the hands-on, we enjoy a lot of hands-ons. In the same way, the 4 days, whatever I feel that that the remaining hands-on, I'm feeling that is not sufficient. If you Sprintzeal is increasing 1 or 2 days to get that all hands-on, then we can enjoy that class a lot more. So that's what my feel is like. Hopefully that we'll enjoy that after course completion. Also, we will make it the chance to connect with the Sprintzeal. So yeah, the overall the way how I want to get the hold on the cloud experience, in the hands-on I am getting from the Sprintzeal. So I appreciate that the efforts what trainers and kind of materials they are putting. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much for your efforts.